Here I have HTC U11 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open contacts, tap skip, then you should go to the fix and manage, select manage SIM. So here you can select like which contacts from your SIM card you want to transfer. Just select them all, then tap import, and after that these contacts should appear on your device. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.